This is a pondless waterfall in Apple Valley featuring St. Francis. It is a pondless waterfall 50 foot in length and also has the famous Vivid Pondless Pro Skim, allowing all the leaves, trash, debris to all go into a basket. And as you can see, it's already full. And that's what makes Pondless waterfall maintenance very simple. Done the Aquatic Genius way. If you have any questions about this waterfall or questions about your waterfall, you can contact us at 760-244-0678 or aquaticgenius.net and vividponds@gmail.com.